I know some people gonna just click off this video right about now. If you would have asked me 3 years ago to make my own costume, I would have told you, hell no, it's gonna take too long. Why would I make my own costume? And now look at me 3 years later, and I'm already on my 2nd year making my own costume. Let me show you right quick the costumes that I made last year. And I'm going to show you guys how to make this year's costume using the same supplies. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own costume. I am going to be making a Lola Bunny costume. Everybody think because I'm Lola, I want to be Lola Bunny. No, it's Lola Safe, okay? I don't know why I just did that so aggressive. But yeah, it's Lola Safe channel. And I'm in a good mood, obviously. I ain't getting no check or nothing. I need a check.
Bruh.
I mean, I always get a check. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Okay, 2 things. The first thing is check the description box for all the materials that are going to be used in this video today and for all the links related to this video. Second thing. I just said second thing. Second thing is I'm Lola Safe. I'm not Lola Bunny. But because I'm Lola, I felt like I had to do the Lola Bunny costume. But I will definitely be doing this costume into my own style. Did I say 2 things? Third thing is, before we even get into the costume, I want to show you guys these beautiful eyes that you see right now. They're not my eyes. These are actually contacts. What I like most about Anma Beauty contacts is their colors. Like, their colors look so good with people who have dark eyes. Like, it really makes people with dark eyes like really pop. So these blue contacts are gonna go so pretty with today's costume. You guys can also check the description for the Lola Safe code to get 15% off of contacts at Anma Beauty. Okay, so I am going to be making my imitation of Lola Bunny costume with a regular 2-piece that I got from Shein. I'm sorry, y'all, I've been meant to take these ears off. I'm also going to show you guys real quick how I put together my design to print in Cricut. I will do that later on in this video. You're going to need heat transfer vinyl, and you're also going to need an iron, and let's go. All right, okay, so basically after I've already cut out my designs from Cricut, you just gonna, I got a heat press. I'm a little fancy, but you guys can use an iron for this. You're gonna put the heat and press down on your design, and then you're gonna just peel off that extra vinyl from the heat transfer. Make sure you're careful and try to do this when it's still a little bit hot, because if it get cold, it's gonna be hard to do it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just place my Lola Squad. Remember, I don't want to be Toon Squad. I'm different now. So I'm going to use that extra piece of vinyl and put it over the top, because you don't want that heat to touch that vinyl. It'll burn it. You don't want that. So, okay, cool. Then you're going to just press down. You ain't got to be Hercules with it, but, just press down just a little bit and let it go for about 30 seconds. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to peel all that off. Be real gentle. You don't want to mess up your design. And if it is lifting up, just press it again. This is looking lit, looking back now at this design, I probably should have put that gold L over the whole L like this, but I didn't do that. I just kind of adjusted it a little bit to the back, but it still came out lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna win all the costume contests. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that extra vinyl right back over all the words, and I'm gonna press it again for 30 seconds. The good thing about this Cricut heating press is that it counts down for you. So you just have to keep it steady and let it, do its magic. All right, this shit is looking lit. So I've already done the pants. This is how they look. Since we on the subject, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join Team Lola for more creative videos and ideas like this. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. All right, y'all, I forgot to show y'all about Cricut. I'm just giving y'all all the answers to the test. Okay, basically, I'm in my Cricut workspace. I'm going to use a t-shirt so you guys can better see what I did. This is the front of my shirt and how the back of my shirt will look. These fonts and images are not from Cricut. I had to Google this and use Canva to make this. Then I'm going to show you guys how the pants look. So this is just giving you guys an image of what it's going to look like. Then I'm going to show you guys a real quick trick, what you can do on Cricut. You can, once you upload your image, you can like erase it, do this, do that. That way you can fit the image exactly how you want to fit on your shirt. Then you're going to save that, and they're going to show you how it's going to print. And this is the end result. This is the back of my pants. And this is the front, you know, LS, Lola Squad. This is the back. I know Lola is known for being number 10, but I'm number 11. Guys, don't forget to check out lolasafe.shop. This is the front. I created my own Looney Tunes Squad logo, but it's called Lola Squad, so this is lit. And that's it. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.